Do you want to sound fluent in English, not just speak it? Maybe you forget those tiny end sounds, mix up tenses, or get stuck with articles and prepositions. Or maybe you wonder why native speakers say things like, I'm going to head out, or break the ice, instead of the textbook versions. It's not, he walked to school. It's, he walks to school. It's not, I live at Bangkok. It's, I live in Bangkok. And please, not, she don't like coffee. It's, she doesn't like coffee. In this video, I'll show you 15 real tips that native speakers use from getting your end sounds right, mastering articles and prepositions, fixing your CH, SH pronunciation, using phrasal verbs, idioms, question types naturally. I'll link all the related videos in the description for you below because I have a video on every single one of these. So, want to sound fluent, confident, clear in English? Let's go. Pronunciation and sounds. End sounds. S-E-D-I-N-G. One of the biggest fluency mistakes is missing end sounds. They are very important. More important than you think they are. He walked to school. He walks to school. Those small sounds matter. They make your speech clear and correct. CH and SH words. English has two sounds that often confuse learners. Ch and sh. Ch as in chair, teacher, chocolate. Sh as in shoe, fish, washing. Say them slowly. Cheese, she's, cheap, sheep. Hear the difference? That's how natives tell them apart. Silent letters. Fluent speakers know which letters to say. No, the K is silent. Right, the R is silent. Listen, the T is silent. Det, the B is silent. Don't pronounce every letter. Learn the patterns and your speech will sound much smoother. Pronounce words clearly. Slow down. Open your mouth. Hit every vowel sound clearly. Practice with your tongue twisters. Record yourself. Remember, fluency isn't speed, it's clarity and rhythm. Intonation and rhythm. Fluent English as music. Native speakers change their tone to show emotion or meaning. Really? Surprise. High intonation. Really? Certain. Falling intonation. A flat voice sounds robotic and tone and rhythm to sound alive. A flat voice sounds robotic. Add tone and rhythm to sound alive. Grammar and structure. The verb to be. To be is everywhere and must match the subject. I am happy. You, we, they are ready. He, she, it is tired. If you forget the right form, your English sounds broken. So focus on accuracy here. It's the foundation of fluency. The verb to do. Do and does are used for questions and negatives. Do you like coffee? She doesn't play guitar. Don't say she don't like. Say she doesn't like. Get that pattern automatic. It's a core fluency skill. Articles. A, an, and the. Articles make your English sound more natural. I bought a car. Any car. I bought the car. A specific car. I need an umbrella. Before vowel sounds. Fluent speakers use them automatically. Try reading and listening for where they appear. Prepositions. Fluent English uses prepositions naturally. Those little words that connect ideas. You're at home. You go to work. You're in Bangkok. You're good at English. Learn them as chunks. Listen to. Depend on. Interested in. That's how native speakers think. In phrases, not single words. Word order. Fluency also means getting the order right. Subject, verb, object, time, place. Always I drink coffee morning. That didn't sound right, did it? I always drink coffee in the morning. That rhythm helps you sound natural. Comparatives and superlatives. To sound fluent when comparing, use comparative adjectives. They compare different things. Bigger, happier, more expensive. Superlatives. The most, biggest, happiest, most expensive. My house, bigger than yours. This is the most interesting class ever. Watch the endings. They show meaning instantly. Tense flow. Move smoothly between tenses when telling stories. I live in Bangkok now, but I used to live in Glasgow. I've been here for 3 years. That natural tense flow makes your English sound like a story, not just a list of sentences. Reported speech. Reported speech helps you retell information naturally. He said he was tired. She told me that she had finished the work. It shows flexibility with tenses, a real sign of fluency. Passive voice. Use the passive voice when the action is more important than the person. The report was completed yesterday. The film was directed by Nolan. Fluent speakers switch between active and passive voice very easily. Practice it, learn it. Conditionals. These connect ideas and possibility. First, if it rains, I'll stay home. Second, if I had more time, I would study French. Third, if I had known, I would have come earlier. They make your speech sound intelligent and expressive. Fluency in use. To plus infinitive. Fluent speakers use to plus verb all the time. I want to study. She decided to travel. We need to practice. It's simple but key. Don't drop the to. Phrasal verbs. These are natural and everywhere in English. Turn on TV. Look after your health. Give up smoking. Learn them in context. That's how you remember and use them naturally. Idioms. Idioms can make you sound truly fluent because they show cultural understanding. Break the ice to start a conversation easily. Under the weather, feeling sick or unwell. Piece of cake, something that is easy. Use them naturally. One or two in conversation is perfect. Connected speech. Native speakers link words together. What are you doing? What you doing? Going to. Gonna. Want to. Wanna. You don't need to copy perfectly. Just learn to hear it. That'll help you understand fast speech and sound smoother. Question tags. Fluent speakers often check information with question tags. You're coming, aren't you? She's finished, hasn't she? They don't eat meat, do they? They make your English sound conversational and friendly. So that's most of the points. And if you've watched the video this far, you want to sound more fluent. So I'm going to give you a bonus one. To be fluent, you must use English every day. Stop translating. Start thinking in English. Talk to yourself. Describe your day. Record your voice or shadow native speakers. Remember, fluency grows with use, not perfection. A little tip I always give my students. If you're driving to work, talk to yourself. What are you doing? I'm in the car. I'm putting on my seatbelt. I'm turning on the engine. I'm putting in the first gear. Look at that person in front of me. They're driving like a crazy person. No one can hear you, so don't worry. It will help you improve your fluency. So, which of these fluency tips will you work on first? Tell me in the comments below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. That way you are notified of future videos. Okay? So, thank you very much for watching all the way to the end. Watch this video here to watch one of my other videos, and until next time, stay well. I'll see you later.